The next job is then to disconnect the starter. Now that's on a little pole there, and that goes way down out through that one, underneath there, and the oil pipe. Right, so I've got to undo this screw behind there. Now, so although it's a bit tight, it's only finger tight, that. Oh, there it is. Right, that's going to need a little bit more looking at as to how that comes out. Oh, just pulls out. Now I think some of these have little screws underneath that hold them in. Like that one, there's a little screw under that one, a little screw under that one, and that one. But that one doesn't seem to. Right, I will read up on the site how that comes out there. Okay, so it says remove the starter cable, but it does just pull out here. That was very tight, but it does just pull out. And then this little screw, again I had to just pull that wire free. I held that. Not sure how this comes off. It looks like I might have something missing there. Whether a screw is broken or something, I don't know, but it's definitely holding onto this rod. It obviously pulls and makes the contacts in the starter, but I need to know how to remove that before I can remove the starter switch. But at least I've got the cable free, and it suggests I can pull that back through the bulkhead there and bring out the starter switch. Okay, so there's the starter wire here, and it crosses just to the sort of medial side of the heater wire, but it's also below that bit of wiring loom in there. Right, so the heater cable, sorry, there's the heater cable, here's the heater cable, and here's our starter cable, just on the medial side, up through here. There's the securing bolt, a little star washer, and the whole thing just pulls back through the bulkhead. And then we're going to lose this underside just underneath that oil pipe. So I just grab those. And that pulls out. Brilliant. Done. Now, the next job I think is to disconnect the choke cable, and I've just got to pull that back from where it obviously opens up the carburetor. Okay, so choke cable has come out exactly the same way as the starter cable. That is held on with another little star washer, handle bolt, just finger tight. and it runs along underneath these, so that must be to the water bottle, and they wrap round there. That goes up to the, yeah, to the washer jets. It must join in there. Have a look at that in a minute. So it goes underneath there. And through there. And again, that's just to the right. So the choke cable is medial to the lateral cable there, which comes out to this air box. Right. So we'll pull that through, and that emerges there, and it's held in with this little, I think they're called P-clips. Now unfortunately that has been kinked there. I don't know, so be careful not to kink them. We've got a kink there, so I need to just release that, and then it comes forward here, and we'll release it there. Okay, so we're back to that bit. We'll put it through there, and we'll release it there. I think these are all clevis pins. I think they're clevis pins. Alright, so we'll pull that through.